Hey guys, so today I'm just so tired and so lazy. I'm feeling sick. So I don't like to cook. I don't like to go out to order food or to buy food. I'm just staying at home, lying down, even playing. I'm not playing. So here is a quick way to prepare a healthy food without having too much to put, too much to mix. You just have to grab an avocado and sugar. So I'm gonna ask my husband to be with me and eat this avocado the way I used to eat it when I was a kid. So Nick, come on over, baby. So first, I'm gonna ask him to take this thing off from the top. So when I was a kid, I used to eat this avocado, but I'm not mixing it with milk. I'm not mixing it with anything else with ice. So I just take this off and I started peeling like this. And oh my God. See, this is how I eat when I was a kid. Kasi wala kaming milk, wala kaming ice. Meron lang kaming nangihingi lang kami sa kapitbahay ng avocado. So, ayan. So look at that. So green, so healthy. So when you peel it, so look at that. Diba? Ang sarap kaya. And then I'm gonna ask my husband. I'm gonna try it first and then I'll ask him to do the same thing. So ididip mo sa sugar. This is how I eat. And then so yummy. I'll have another bite. So good. So this time I'm gonna ask my husband to do the same thing. So ayan guys, kung wala kayong milk, you can eat avocado right away. Just dip in instead of yung mangga, diba, sa asin. This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Have a try. Try this one. Hindi siya mahilig sa fruit, so I'm gonna ask him to try this out. Come on, don't be shy. Take a bite, a big bite. Come on. It's for the views, Nick. You have to eat it.
It's like taki.
Who? Excuse me? It's not. You just have to feel it. Feel it daw. Oh, I'll take another bite. And then I'm gonna ask him to try again.
No, it's not.
He's not really into fruit, so he can't really eat well. But for the vlog, he will try. You see? He will try it. See, I told you. He will try for the sake of vlogging. I could actually finish the whole fruit just dipping it into sugar without milk, without making it into smoothie, shake, or avocado salad. So typically, just the avocado itself. Diba? Hindi na, mura na siya kasi avocado lang bibilhin mo. Tapos asukal sa sa kitchen nyo.
Thank you guys.
Healthy pa. One more bite and another bite for Nick, diba?
Yeah.
For the sake of vlogging again.
Please, yeah.
Last one for the vlog, guys, diba? Cheer nyo naman si Nick. Dali. Cheer nyo naman siya. Come on, guys. Ayan, go, Nick. Go, Nick. Let's dip more. Diba? Pag mahal kayo ng asawa nyo, gagawin lahat. Pero honestly, gusto niya lang mag-trending yung vlog na. For the sake of vlogging, that's why kumakain siya ng avocado.
Very good.
Really good. And it's healthy pa. Diba? Kasi if you put milk, it's gonna be
And it's a motor.
So guys, kung gusto nyo ng mura at healthy, paano kakainin yung avocado? Balatan nyo lang tapos nyo lang sa. So ayun guys, malapit ko na siyang matapos. So I just want to convince everyone to try this out. Tapos mag-comment kayo sa description below kung gusto nyo ba siya o hindi. Tapos, pwede rin kayo mag-suggest ng any content po na kakainin namin. Tapos, syempre dapat yung may sausawan. Tapos, ipapatry namin. Pero gusto ko sana mga prutas kasi hindi siya mahilig. Hindi siya kumakain ng fruits. So, itatry natin yung mga ibang fruits. Tapos, tingnan natin kung anong reaction niya. At kung anong lasa nun, di ba? So, until next time po, thanks for watching. So, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Wayne's World. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.